This is the government media. Igama lam Neliswa Makhaza, and I am here with Nondumiso Mngadi, who is the outreach coordinator. Today we are having such a beautiful conversation around the voting season. On the 4th of November is the voting day, so we are just here to kind of encourage the youth to actually participate in voting, because we are the futures, we are the future, we are the present, and we are the leaders right now. So right now, Nondumiso Mngadi, she will be communicating to us about the importance of the youth actually taking part in voting. How are you, Nondumiso?
I'm good. Ninjanina.
Siyaphila nathi. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, today is actually the 16th of June 2026. So how are you feeling about the Youth Day as a whole?
Generally, I'm feeling quite overwhelmed
Yeah.
because the youth is everywhere. Except
Yeah.
in the good things, except in things that a container in future aids, except for izinto that are very much important, izinto that we are most certainly sure that most of us are still going to be here for the at least next 5 years. But maskhuluma next 5 years, kumuntu omusha, it seems as if we are still speaking about something angangene kuyona.
Yes.
So I'm a bit overwhelmed because somehow siyadinga ukuthi abantu abasha bagqugquzeleke in everything that has to do with being an active citizen, in everything, yes, in South Africa.
Okay, very beautiful. Very beautifully said. So I know that there is such an importance in the youth taking part in the voting season. 4th of November is voting day. What does it mean actually? What does it mean for the youth to actually get off their bed, take a bath, go and to actually put in that cross? What does it actually mean?
For umuntu omusha, the 4th of November means taking a stand. It means raising your voice. It means marking ex wakho physically at the voting station, because when you are registered,
Yes.
it means that you are raising your voice and telling us ukuthi ufisa ukuthi leadership ishayiphe ngayiphi indlela. It tells us that you are an active citizen and you are out there and making a choice for your future. As I've said before, see, it's here in abantu abasha that are most certainly baningi ekutheni in the next 5 years, who are you going to be? Uzobe usakhona la eSouth Africa, or you are still going to be actually alive. So mangabe sifikelwa ama-elections, we really need to participate, kakhulukazi thina abantu abasha ngobani ithina esobe sikhona la. Secondly, ukuvota ilungelo lakho. You have a right to life, and uyayipreserva. You make sure ukuthi yabo uyayigcina all the responsibilities owadingayo uyaqhubeka now. But when it comes to ilungelo lokuvota, it now seems like it's something for someone else. Well, surprise, for you to register, it's like 16 years. So already it tells you a lot about being umuntu omusha and being active in the space. For you to register to vote, you need to be 16 years and above after your birthday. And then for you to be able to vote here on the 4th of November, you need to be 18 years and above after your birthday. So the only thing you're doing is ID, original ID, temporal, is certified, or within its size, so go back because in its scale. And then you also need to present yourself physically. Or you can also register yourself because it's in my phone in
For
So
sure,
if you are a phone in, it's in the IEC, register to vote on Google. It's gonna pop up and it's gonna show you. Then we'll land the prompt ufake izinto. Another thing that we also need, abantu abasha surprisingly abangayazi, it's your address. You need to know your address. Your home address yakho isize ekutheni sikwazi ukulocate that this is the perfect voting station for you. Ngokwe demarcation when you belong kule ward. Without your address, we are not able to locate you to i-status right. Uyithole usuvota kamakhelwane kanti i-status sakhe esinye. So you also need ukuthi ube nani ne-address yakho, house number, street number, or street name. Then sokwazi ukuthola.
Okay, so the address is the most important
Very,
thing. It's
very
your ID
important.
and your
ID,
address.
present yourself physically.
Yes.
Uphathe wazi i-address yakho correct, house number, street number, or any other institution ozokwazi ukuthi ukhumbule ngayo i-address yakho yasekhaya. Then we're going to be able to pick up the location now.
Okay, absolutely understandable. And thank you so much for actually outlining that. There is another thing that I did want to ask you. What are some of the programs that you guys have? I know that you are speaking about being able to gather information online on social media on how to vote. However, what are other programs that you guys have to make sure that the youth of South Africa actually partakes in voting?
All right. We are also mandated by Constitution ukuthi let us as the IEC senze ama-voter education. I-voter education, it's whereby we address ama-issues amaningi abhekene nentsha. Abantu abasha, they do not want to voice out with what's happening. Come election day, they're not at ama-voting stations. So we want to know more. Ukuthi kwenze njani? Let's talk about it. Most things ziyakwazi ukuthi ilungiseke if we talk about it. So we also host ama-voter education programs. We do ikole, high schools, because we need 16 years and above. We visit our home affairs so that we find people. We join in our community meetings. We join in our war room. It's a hamba, each and every activation corner, we present ourselves there so that we are able to take youth. Most of us, they feel as if asikho is space for us. Surprisingly enough, abantu abasha banaloko ukuthi voting is not for us. It's another thing if Funasi addresses that. Speaking about politics, speaking about elections, it should be a general topic as it shouldn't be a topic as so the season IEC. When we see adverts go SAPC 1 or 7, it's a register to vote. Let's talk about that in our households so that it becomes a healthy topic so that we are able to 18 years and above
Asambenso voter. That is the conversation today. It is all about voting. This was Nondumiso Mngadi, who is the outreach coordinator at IEC. So please go out there, as many as you are. Go and vote from the rural areas, KwaMashu, Elokshini, Emlazi. It is absolutely important for you to actually have a voice. Go and vote. That is a conversation that we're having here today. My name is Neliswa Makhaza, and it has been a pleasure to absolutely host this wonderful lady. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. Get up, show up, and vote.